Hi, good day. Welcome. My name is Jeffrey, and this is my part-time business, V Mobile. You can contact me at 0916-495-8171, and my email address is jeffrosales@hotmail.com. Before I start, I'd like to thank you for taking time, for having time to watch this small video. Okay, V Mobile is or was established in April 29, 2008, and the owner of V-Mobile is Spenta Capital Corporation. So basically, it is not an individual. It is not owned by just a person, but it's a corporation. Penta Capital is the financial advisor of the companies San Miguel, KFC, Petron, ABS, CBN, 7-Eleven, Shell, Alaska, Metro Star, and Cebu Pacific. These are the following services that Penta Capital has: investment, finances, management, holdings, securities, and broker services. Okay. Now, as you can see, by the way, we are located in 19th and 20th floor in Galleria Corporation Center, which is in the Galleria Mall. And these are the following certificates we have: the DTI and the Certificate of Incorporation. Okay, now this is our basic needs. We have food, shelter, and clothing. So let's assume that we consume 50% food for food, then 20% for shelter, and 25% for clothing. Because of the fast-paced environment and technology, since it evolves, here's what happened. Our basic needs has also upgraded, or shall we say, nag-change din siya. So we included cell phone load as part of our basic needs. The reason why, because we are using cell phones for communication. So sinasabi nga nila, pag walang load yung cellphone, parang walang silbi. So it's useless. So naging part siya ng needs natin because of that necessity and needs of everyone. Because of that, V-Mobile came to an idea on how to help our fellow countrymen, to help us. Okay, and that's what we call V-Mobile Empowerment. V-Mobile Empowerment is not only about selling load. Okay, as I mentioned, that we are helping Filipinos. Okay, helping Filipinos in a way we teach ourselves on how to save, okay, in terms of load. Okay, now V-Mobile is giving us also convenience, wherein we can load ourselves, cell phone load. Okay, in terms of cell phone load, we can load our family, friends, neighbors, and our special loved ones, anytime, anywhere. For instance, pag naubusan tayo ng load, we usually go to loading stores, retailer stores, para bumili ng load. What if naubusan ng load si retailer? Or what if bumaha, bumagyo, or what if you are on a travel? So basically, parang magiging inconvenient for us na maghanap pa ng load. Whereas si V-Mobile, it's giving us convenience. So yun nga, V-Mobile is helping us how to load ourselves anytime, anywhere. And V-Mobile is giving us also 8 to 11% discount. And opportunity, once we have endorsed V-Mobile to our friends, family, relatives, and special someone, then we are building a network of consumer. Because of that, we could earn 500 pesos as our endorsement bonus or incentives. Aside from 500 pesos, we get team sales bonus up to 500 pesos plus 1% overrides. Okay, now these are the telcos we have: Sun, Smart, and Globe. As you can see, we already have their certification. So basically, we are in partnership with these top telcos. And just to inform you that V-Mobile is the marketing arm of these top telcos in the country. And because of that, Smart is providing us this Empower SIM. So itong Empower SIM na to is available only for V-Mobile customers, investors, and members. So this will be released on September 1. However, it is still available for those who wanted to get an Empower SIM for their loading services. Okay, so these are the products that we cater. We have cell phone cards, landline cards, online gaming, electronic load, and recently we have the Signal Digital TV or the cable provider. Then we have the Malayan Insurance. And I think Meralco is still in the process to serve us using prepaid power consumption, something like that. So it's a good opportunity for us since maraming gumagamit ng, most of us are using power for our needs. So it's more likely nakakapagtipid yung mga power consumption, power users or consumers. Alright? Okay, before, ang ginagawa natin is we spend much for our cell phone load. Okay? So, naglo-load tayo, nag-spend tayo ng pera for that, pero wala tayong nakukuha benefits or any incentives from those retailers or from those telcos. But now, V-Mobile is giving us the opportunity. So, once we spend cell phone load for our cell phones, this will help us save, giving us discounts and opportunity. And these expenses we have for our cell phone load will be converted into investment. So basically, this liability will become our asset. Okay? Now, this is the concept we have for V-Mobile. We only need our phone and SIM, existing phone and SIM. Then we can access and load all networks, Sun, Smart, and Globe, plus the 300 prepaid products. Discount and opportunity. Okay. For discount, let's say nagpapaload tayo ng 100 pesos sa retailer store. Okay. Before, we pay 100 pesos plus 10 or plus 5. Okay. Once you join V-Mobile, the only amount that will be deducted to your account is 89 pesos. So basically, you're saving 11 pesos, which is 8 to 11% discount to all 300 products. Okay? Now, since V-Mobile is helping us how to save, let me just give you a short computation on how we save and how V-Mobile is helping us how to save. Okay. For instance, pag nagpapaload ka ng 25 pesos a day, expenses mo in a month is 750. How about pag nagpapaload yung family members mo na, let's say 5 kayo sa family niyo na nagpapaload ng 25 pesos. Expenses mo in a month is 3,750. What if in a year, yung expenses mo is 45,000 pesos? So 45,000 pesos is too much for us, I guess, for our cell phone loads. So sa 45,000 na yan, wala tayong nakukuha kahit piso or kahit benefits or incentives from spending this 45,000 for our cell phone usage or for our cell phone loads. What if V-Mobile is giving us 10% discount? Okay, so basically we get 4,500 discount or we get 4,500 saving for our load in a year. So the next year, magpapaload ka ulit using V-Mobile, you'll get another 4,500 for just 25 pesos the load. So it will double the next year. So once it doubled, you get 9,000 pesos savings in the second year. All right. So let's compare V-Mobile and regular consumer. Of course, the convenience. In terms of convenience, we get that. Unlike with other consumer, they don't have discount. Of course, we have that. Opportunity. V-Mobile has opportunity. Once they have, or we endorse it to our friends, family, and friends. I mean, to our special someone. Then, like with other regular consumer, they don't have that opportunity. Okay, now these are the top telcos we have in the country: Smart, Sun, and Glow. Okay, once they have new product, they advertise that on billboards, TV networks, and to newspapers. So budget nila is 500 million. Then they will look for endorsers of their products. So budget is 300 million. Then we have also our distributor, 3% to 6% discounts. Then retailers will have 10 to 14% discounts or incentives or income. How about the consumer? Wala. Okay, because of that, V-Mobile is giving us the opportunity, convenience, and discount. So once we have shared this to our friends, family, and to our special someone, we get that opportunity. So basically, itong si consumer will get also benefits from V-Mobile. Yun nga, they can save loan. Okay? So sa expenses na yan, na 500, 300, 3 to 6%, and 10 to 14%, why not i-combine that to a V-Mobile business? Okay? Now let's compare a V-Mobile retailer and regular retailer. By the way, ang tawag sa atin once we have joined V-Mobile is technopreneur or a dealer. Okay? So if someone would like to invest under you, and that's what we call as retailer. Okay? So if someone would like to be a retailer under your team, so normally ang pag traditional or regular retailer, they have to produce or they have to maintain 3 phones, 3 SIMs. Unlike with V-Mobile, isa lang. Single load wallet ng si V-Mobile, kung si regular retailer, they need to maintain 3 load wallet. Of course, si V-Mobile, we get 1% overrides and incentives once they have used the product, the MyTurf product. Once they have, like, it's what we call as patronage. So, ginagamit siya ng consumer, tapos ginagamit mo siya, you will have your 1% or 1 to 2% incentives. Si regular retailer, ang nabibenta lang niya is regular loads. Unlike si V-Mobile, ang nabibenta niya or nakikater niya lahat ng mga prepaid products. From internet, from online gaming, from cable TV, from PLDT phone landline, na prepaid. So lahat ng prepaid kinikater ni V-Mobile. Now, a regular retailer would cost them 7,950 to start the business, while a V-Mobile retailer would cost them 300 to 350 pesos. Okay? So, let's say, by the way, yung sa V-Mobile pala, once you have your retailer, they can get a sub-retailer and that would get you another incentives. For that would give you another incentives. Unlike with a traditional or regular retailer, wala. So, hanggang isang retailer lang siya. Okay. Now, let's compare V-Mobile with other businesses. Okay. So, necessity, si Smart, Sun, and Glow, of course, sobrang need siya ng tao, lalo na sa mga cellphone users. Unlike with other businesses, let's say RTW, food supplement, beauty products, hindi siya masyadong need ng tao. Though kinakailangan siya for, pero hindi siya masyadong, hindi siya necessity. Para, syempre, kung may damit ka na, mas okay pa, so hindi mo masyadong need na bumili ng bagong damit. So, it's more likely wants. Unlike with cellphone loads, sobrang need mo siya from day to day. Okay, from time to time na kailangan mo mag-communicate sa family mo. Okay, so in terms of explanation, it's very easy to explain V-Mobile than to other businesses. For instance, my food supplement ka, you need to explain the product, the content of the ingredients of the product, and so on and so forth. So, kailangan mo talagang mahasa, o kailangan mo talaga na maintindihan kung ano yung mga ingredients for, especially for food supplement. So, masyadong complex for you to explain the product. Sobrang hassle din. And I mean, hassle in return. I mean, if the product is defective or something wrong, you need to return the product. So, kailangan pang mga processes or requirements, tago mo siya may return. Of course, yung repurchasing ng business, mas madali si D-Mobile, unlike with other businesses, has slow yung repurchasing. Okay. Now, techpreneur or a dealer would invest 4,999 pesos. Okay? Ito yung mga benefits na makukuha natin sa 4,999. 24/7 load yourself, family and friends, discount or earn 1% override. Then we can access all other networks. Then we have the 500 pesos direct endorsement once we have endorsed our friend or family to the mobile. And also, once we have our team, we get a team sales bonus up to 500 pesos. All right. Now, these are the two tools that we are using online. By the way, we can transact business online and using cell phones. So, pwede kang mag-loading online, and you can use your cell phone for your loading business as well. So, LoadExtreme, that is the website where we can use to load or to transact our loading business. The MyLX website, that is the website we use to manage our account, especially to monitor our sales. All right. Now, this is the inclusion of the package. We have the Technopreneur, that is your main account or your main card, and 20 Techno user card or 20 retailer card, 20 discount list, the posters, and 3 SIM cards. And also, meron na rin 21 Empower SIM cards. Okay? So, Empower SIM cards, that is the SIM card we use for retailers. So, gagamitin nila yan when they use it for loading or to load or for the loading business. Now, the Techno user card or the retailer card, I'll explain to you later on kung paano yung kitaan dyan. Okay? So, these are the packages or the benefits that we get for the 4,999 pesos investment as a dealer. Okay. Now, as a dealer, we get this 8 ways on how we earn with D-Mobile. Okay. First, we get 10 to 12% discount, which is a lifetime discount. Then we have 20 access cards, wherein pag binenta mo siya ng 300 pesos, more likely pwede mo siyang ibenta ng 250 to 350. Okay, and that includes your Empower SIM already. So let's say binenta mo siya ng 350 pesos. So yung return of investment mo is 7,000. So yung investment mo lang is 4,999, pero may return of investment ka ng 7,000. So basically, you have your 2,000 income. Okay, so sobrang quits na siya. Kumbaga hindi ka nalugi doon. Win-win ka pa rin. Kasi nag-invest ka na, pero pag nabenta mo yung 20 access card or retailer card, babalik na sa'yo yung investment mo. Plus, you have your income na 2,000. Okay? So, 1 to 2% override, once you have your retailer card sold, every transactions they have on your retailer card, meron ko 1 to 2% override. For example, bumili ako ng isang retailer card sa'yo. Every time na ginagamit ko yung retailer card na yon, you will get 1% override from me. For example, ginamit ko yung 1,000 pesos sa retailer card na yon. So basically, you will get 10 pesos override from me. Okay? So, how about sa second card mo, may nag-load na 20,000 pesos. So, you will have your 200 pesos override, 1% override. So, basically, maganda siya kasi every time na ginagamit yung retailer card, you'll get a 1% override from it. So, direct sales incentive, once you have endorsed D-Mobile to your friends and they invest sa business, you will get a 500 pesos incentive. Plus, once you have already your team, you will earn up to 500 pesos team sales bonus. The 6, 7, 8, these are the MyTurf products and patronage. So every time na ginagamit mo yung product ng V-Mobile, which is MyTurf, you have your 1% or 1 peso for every 100 purchase. So, syempre, nag-load ka rin, nagkukonsume ka rin, gumagamit ka rin ng cellphone. So, instead na bumili ka dun sa store, why not gamitin mo si V-Mobile as your, for your load consumption or personal load consumption. So, every time na ginagamit mo yung load, you will have your incentives for your MyTurf products. Okay. For example, ikaw to. Okay, on your first week, ang ginawa mo is you shared V-Mobile to your friends. So let's say si Brian nag-sign up agad and nag-invest kay V-Mobile. So basically, you will have your 500 pesos endorsement or incentives. The second day, itong si Beth nag-invest din. So you will have another 500 pesos. So nakita ni system na may pumasok sa team A siya sa ka-team mo. So the system will clear this to investors, okay, on your team, on your network. So you will get up to 500 pesos team sales bonus. Let's say on the second week, pumasok si Carla, nag-join din sa'yo, you'll get another 500. Okay, so another 500. Then once nag-pair, another up to 500 team sales bonus. On your third week, nag-pair ulit. So up to 500 team sales bonus. On your fourth week, okay, fifth week, so another 500. So as long as pag nag-pair siya, you get your up to 500 pesos sa team sales bonus. So every time na may pumasok sa team mo, you'll get, as your direct endorsement, you'll get 500 pesos. So your team sales bonus, you'll earn up to infinity. Okay? So walang limitation. Okay? Okay, so let me give you an example. So ito yung ito yung computation sa business for endorsement and incentives for your team. Okay? For example, in your first month, you have your team A, meron ka na-endorse na isa, then on your team B, meron din isa. So basically, 500, 500, 1,000. Since these are your direct endorsement, so 1,000 plus your team sales bonus kasi nag-pair, you have your 1,200 pesos. That is the average na siya na team sales bonus na 200, for example. Now, in your second month, sabi mo, Jeff, I'll stop na kasi I'm so busy and I need to focus on my job or something else. So, ginawa mo, syempre, hindi mo pababayaan yung mga na-endorse mo sa first month mo on your team A and your team B. So, basically, tuturuan mo siya and you need to let them attend the training and help them do the business. So, once they have understand the business, ang ginawa din nila is they endorse V-Mobile to their friends and family. So, let's say, meron na silang mga na-endorse. So, meron ka ng 400 pesos na team sales bonus. Let's say, on your 7th month, meron ka ng 64 na mga investors under your network. So, basically, your team sales bonus is 12,800. Okay? Let's say on your 12th month, you'll have 409,600. Okay, then in a year, you'll have 820,000. Okay, for your maximum team sales bonus na 500, yung 1 year na investment or income mo in a year will be 1.9. Okay? Alright. Now, ito yung sinasabi kong 1% override. Okay, for instance, as a retailer, bumili ako ng retailer card sa'yo, tapos ginamit ko siya for business, loading business. For instance, nag-load ako ng 1,000. On my first month, meron akong 3 customer or load consumer. So, magpapaload sila ng 300 each. So, basically, you as my dealer will get 9 pesos override. Okay? Siyempre, the second month, yung tatlong customer ko in my first month, syempre babalik sa akin yung para ng paload. Aside from that, if merong other customers, let's say merong 9 customers na nagpa-load sa akin on the second month. So you will get 27 pesos override from me since ikaw yung dealer ko. Let's say on the third month, I'll have 20. I have 27 customers, so you'll get 81 pesos override from me. Now let's say on my 10th month, I have 59,000 customers. You get 117 pesos, 117,147 override from me. Okay, so let's say sa 20 yung 59,000, of course it's doable kasi 20 retailer card yung binibenta mo or yung binenta mo eh. So it's not only one card sa 59,000 katao. Syempre hindi lang naman 59 katao yan eh. So basically paulit-ulit pabalik-balik ng mga customer yan. So yun yung kikitain mo from me as my dealer. Okay, as a retailer, sorry. So you'll get 265,716. That will be your monthly income. Okay. Okay. So ito yung diagram. Okay, 1%, 1%. Okay. So you can use the MyTurf, or you can sell your retailer card anywhere in the country. So every time na ginagamit or may transaction ng retailer card, you get 1% override from it. Okay, so these are the top earners in the business. Okay. Okay. Right. My question is, would you like to earn like them, yung mga top earners? Of course, ako syempre gusto kong kumita ng malaki din. Kaya V-Mobile is giving us other option. So V-Mobile is giving us 3 accounts wherein yung investment is 11,964. So ito yung kitaan. For example, ikaw to. Okay, this is your second account, 500. Third account, 500. Okay, so yung second at third account mo, sila yung mga direct endorsement mo. Okay, so nag-pair sila. 1.5. So on your second account and third account, all you need to do is to look for potential investors sa business. Okay, so 500. Pag may pumasok, another 500. Pair. Pair. Okay. So yung total investment mo, okay, pairing ulit. So yung total investment mo is 11,964. Sa tatlong account mo lang, all you need to do is to look for endorser and investors. So once you have those investors, you'll get 5,500 pesos income. Okay, let's say in a month. Okay, so sa 11,964 na investment, you will get your 5,500 investment on your first month. Okay, so that is more than half of your investment na. So tuturuan mo lang tong apat na to. So let them attend the trainings, the product trainings and technical trainings. So yung potential income in a year is 5.7. Let's say sobrang galante ka, bumili ka na 7 accounts. Okay, second account mo 500, third account 500, pairs the system another 500. Okay, fourth account 500, fifth account 500, sixth account another 500, seventh account another 500. A pair up to 500, another pairing, another pairing. So all you need to do is look for 8 investors. So let them attend the training, help them how to do the business. So another 4,000 kasi nga nag-pair sila, pair ulit, pair ulit. Okay. So sa 7 account mo, meron ka ng return investment na 15,500 on your first month. Okay, so basically half of your investment, more than half of your investment is bumalik na. Okay. It's a potential income in a year. Alright. So, ito yung principles ng business. Okay. So, sa one franchise, per day mo nakita is 30. Then, in a year, 1.9. Okay. Sa tatlong franchise, you'll get 90,000 a day. Potential income in a year is 5.7. Now, 7 franchise, you'll get 210. Income in a year is 13.3. Okay. Now, ito yung accuracy ng business. 50% accurate ka, 6.5 yung kita in a year. Let's say 10%, 1.3, and 5% is 665. Okay? So, basically, sobrang ang ganda ng V-Mobile. Kaya, di na ako nagdadalawang isip na kunin sa V-Mobile kasi for sure, makakapag-save ako. At the same time, makakatulong din ako sa mga friends ko, family, and loved ones. Kaya, thank you so much for your time in watching this small video. I hope and I'm praying that you'll be inspired of this small business. Let me know if you have concerns or questions. Thank you and have a good day.